don't use these products if you don't plan on beating your face, okay? That's all I gotta say. I don't know if I should eat a salad or if I should get a chicken sandwich. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video, okay? And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts on the I Am Magic Juvias Place foundations, concealers, and setting powders. As you guys can tell by the title, that is going to be the pretty much overall for this video. I am going to be trying out the new products and telling you guys my initial thoughts, my ideas, what I think about it, if I like it, if I say go ahead and buy it, and you know, if I don't like it, then you know, you'll know. So I'm not going to keep you here for long, but before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up for your girl. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you're thinking about purchasing anything after this video, let me know if you're still thinking about purchasing anything that I used throughout the video, okay? So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So our eyes are done and we're gonna jump into foundation. So for today, we're gonna be using the Juvias Place I Am Magic foundation. This is their velvet matte. First time using it. We're about to see how this works, okay? I'm showing you guys the measurement with my hand, and it's not very big, but it's, you know, it's there. I'm in the shade Ethiopia 400, and yeah, we're gonna see how well this works. So if you guys don't know who Juvias Place is, they are a cosmetic brand. They have eyeshadows, eyeshadow palettes. You guys have seen me use their eyeshadow palettes in many of my videos. So they came out with foundation and concealers and setting powders, and I wanted to get my hands on them. So we're gonna see how well this works. I am excited. Let's just start, okay? So I'm gonna put a little on the back of my hand because it looks like a little goes a long way. And I'm gonna be using my flat top brush to blend this in. Ooh, you guys, it's thick. It's really thick, and I'm almost certain, and it's full coverage. Whew. I'm almost certain I don't even need all of this. Oh my gosh. Okay, and you guys, it's only $20. Wow, no. No, you guys. What? Yeah, if that little just like tap in my hand gave me all of this, I definitely don't need all this on my hand right now. But look, that's all I just tapped in. Oh my gosh, you guys. No, this is bomb. And it doesn't feel heavy on my face at all. It feels so nice, like very, oh my gosh. It's covering up all my freckles right now. Wow. I don't even need like a lot of foundation as it is already. Okay, so as you guys can see right now, the foundation looks flawless. Like, oh my gosh. Still have a lot left on my hand. Like, I'm feeling it right now, you guys. My face is covered in makeup and it doesn't feel like it at all. My face feels, it looks, it doesn't feel matte, like it's dry. It just feels, I don't know. I feel like the wording that they use to describe the foundation is pretty like on point, because it is velvet and it's not matte but it's not dewy, so you get that like in between perfect combination, and I really like it. But that's just the foundation, okay? We're gonna get into the concealers, the setting powders and stuff, so let's hope, you know, like everything else is this bomb, because y'all know how I get once my face is beat. I start feeling it, okay? Ooh. So I'm going to go into their concealer. This is in the shade 16. Now the tubes are huge. Like, this is width wise, the tubes are huge. You only get about this much of product in the bottle. Let's see how it smells. I feel like it smells like the Makeup Revolution concealers. You guys, that, I don't know, like it smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it does have a smell. So it's not strong or anything. And the concealer looks a bit watery. So we're gonna see. I feel like this is a little bit too light, but whatever. We'll make it work. I'm not sure if their concealers are the same as the foundation, where it's meant to be velvet matte. But we're about to see. And I'm gonna go in with my same foundation brush to blend all of this out. Ooh. Okay. So definitely full coverage. I would suggest don't use these products if you don't plan on beating your face. Okay, that's all I gotta say. If you're not a full coverage gal, then this whole thing is just not for you. But it's bomb, I can tell you that much. I'm trying to give everything a fair chance, because when I really like get into beating my face, I use a brush for everything. I feel like I get the most flawless look that way. Okay, I feel like the concealers are blending out very nicely. Very nice, very nice. Feels like butter. Okay, so I feel like for the concealers you have to work a little bit faster, because you don't want it to dry. Because if the foundation is already matte and you're putting on a already matte concealer as well, then you know you want to work as fast as possible. Wow. Okay, so for cream contour, I'm gonna go in with the shade number 7. It's a very dark color. Whoa, you guys, the color is super rich. Look at this. What? And this not even a dark. You guys see this right now? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush. Woo! The pigment in these products, the coverage. OMG. I'm gonna take some of that underneath my chin. Wow, you guys. I'm just gonna go over my concealer just to tone it down just a little bit. I'm not going to cream contour my nose. So now I'm going to set my face using their setting powder. And this is in the shade Sahara. So I'm going in on a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna set my areas, because I don't normally bake, so I'm not gonna try to bake with this powder, because I don't normally bake. Oh. Wow. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'm a fan of this powder right now. I don't really, let me see. Okay, no. So I don't think I like the powder because I feel like I look super cakey right now. I'm trying to see. I already have creases underneath my eyes. And try going in with another brush. Okay. So as of now, this is how my face is looking. I am not sure how I feel about the powder because I feel like it made my face look crazy now. And I feel like it's separating the concealer underneath. So not a fan of the powder. We're gonna make it work. But as for everything else, I love their cream products. I would just recommend to use a different setting powder. As you guys can see, I look very like yellow and cakey right now, and I'm not feeling this at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face and kind of take away some of the cakiness that I have going on. So I'm going to dip into the NYX bronzer, my fave. Down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to jump into the blush. I'm going to take this orange shade. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Yes, we are drowning our face because we're trying to get rid of all of that cakiness, okay? Whew. Alrighty, loves, so that pretty much completes this look that we did today. I feel like everything came out pretty cute, very cute, simple and cute. You feel me? Okay. No, I really love the way that everything turned out. I love my face. So pretty much with the products, I will definitely recommend the foundation, the concealers. But as for the powder, it wasn't my favorite. I feel like adding the powder made my face look very like stiff and cakey. I don't feel like the powder blend very well with the concealer. Mainly because when I was applying the powder, I felt like I didn't feel like my concealer was actually breaking apart underneath everything. So it was like my concealer was moving, and you know, the powder is supposed to set everything in place, but the powder was actually moving everything. So I am not a fan of the powder, but everything else I would definitely recommend you guys go purchase that. Again, my shade range is for my foundation, I am Ethiopia 400. For the concealer, I use 16, and for the contour concealer, I use number 7. So definitely go ahead and get your hands on this. If you are a natural person and if you do not like full coverage, I would not recommend these products because they are exactly that, full coverage, okay? And they are very inexpensive and very affordable. So if you are a person that does like full coverage makeup, go get your hands on this stuff. Like, it's bomb, and a little goes a long way. Only $20, and usually the $40 foundations that we get is less than this, okay? So I feel like you're getting a good amount, and like I said, a little goes a long way, so you're definitely getting your money's worth. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked this video, and if you guys liked me doing this new products, new impressions, stuff like that, then leave a comment down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. But before we go, today's motivational quote is, I feel like I haven't said my motivational quote in so long. That's because I haven't done a video in so long, but your girl's back, okay? So today's motivational quote is, sometimes you have to make decisions that will hurt your heart but heal your soul. And that is a word, okay? So with all of that being said, I will see you loves in my next one. Bye.